Why do a lot of people get wrecked in the cryptocurrency industry? Number one is they don't have a game plan. So in this video, I'm quickly going to go over 3 different types of holders: a long-term holder, long-term with a short-term game plan, and a full exit. And I'll explain where I'm at and why I do what I do. There's the long-term holder. It's somebody who has a good maybe amount of income coming in. They have some active income. They're able to pay their bills. They're living a comfortable life, and they just want to hold long-term forever. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, right? In the future with DeFi, there's going to be a lot of great opportunities for them to make passive income. So long-term holders just holding it. They're watching it wave up. They're watching it wave down. They're often dollar cost averaging, and they're buying the dips, okay? Then there's the long-term holder and a short-term exit plan, or a short-term holder at the same time, which I am. And then there's the full exit, okay? Somebody who's just exiting. Now, when I look at the long-term and short-term or a full exit, I think about myself. The only reason I would exit this deflationary asset is because I have something to do with all the money. So I'm a mix. I'm a long-term holder. For example, I'll put Bitcoin here. I'm not exiting my Bitcoin. I'm holding it forever, okay? My altcoins, all other cryptocurrencies, that's what altcoin means. All other coins, I'm exiting 50% on the way up, okay? And I just use targets, no emotion. If it hits it, I exit. If it doesn't. When I exit though, I'm moving it into something that's either gonna compound, grow, or create passive income. Like I shared with you guys, the only reason I'm exiting every single dime of this 50%, hope it's much more than 50 cents, is accounted for. Okay, so I use life insurance, silver, I'm using Bitcoin as my gold. Okay, we have plenty of businesses. Okay, then I'm doing ETF, dividend for passive income. Okay, so businesses is cash flow, dividend, passive income. Excuse my spelling here, passive income, okay? Silver, store value, life insurance, protect, compound, and grow, and bank on myself, okay? So I pull out the 50%, I first go into my life insurance policy, max fund. Gonna get a little bit more silver, we're good in business, okay? We're taking the cash flow, we're going back into the cryptocurrency, okay? I'm using an ETF dividend strategy, creating passive income and going back in and de-risking into the assets that I like Bitcoin and Xrp. So why I bring this up is because you have to figure out what you are. Are you a long-term holder? Are you a long-term and short-term holder? Or are you a full exit person? The key is to have a game plan. What's your game plan? If you're struggling financially right now and you put money in cryptocurrency and you have a huge hit in crypto, get some money off the table, get your niche investment out, get your debt paid off, okay? Don't go buy Lambos, don't buy big houses. Make sure you get your family set up so that you don't have to trade time for money anymore, okay? So I want you to really think about thoughtfully, are you a long-term holder? Are you a long-term with a short-term game plan? Or are you someone who's fully exiting? But anytime you exit and you pull back into fiat, you wanna think, what am I gonna do with this fiat money? The key books that you need to read is Richest Man in Babylon. You want to create a brother or sister with your money. Cash Flow Quadrant, very powerful book by Robert Kiyosaki. Our goal in these asset classes, especially when there's speculation phase and you can make a large amount of money, is to secure our family, okay? So I just wanted to share that. I wanted you just to start to think about, are you a long-term, short-term game plan, or a full exit? And all of them are equally important. Every single person is unique. My plan is very unique. I used cryptocurrency to not only set up businesses that created cash flow, but over the past 4 years, going on the next 5, the 5th year, freed my family financially. And now we're creating an asset bubble where we take active income, put it back into crypto, we profit, we bring it down into life insurance, silver, businesses, ETF dividend strategy, and we de-risk out of this because it's risky, and we go back into Bitcoin and Xrp. So that's my plan, and I'd love to hear down below what your plan is, but the key is to have a plan. That's how you're going to succeed in any asset class. Warriors, rise, get your shit together. Let's go.